Welcome to KH Driver, your destination for exploring iconic cars from all eras, where history meets innovation and every model has a story worth telling. Today we take a journey into the heritage of French automotive design with a closer look at the 2025 Peugeot 201, a modern tribute to the legendary model that originally debuted in the 1930s. The 201 was Peugeot's first mass-produced vehicle and a foundational car in their long-standing legacy. The 2025 version honors that history while integrating the technologies and comforts expected by today's standards. The 2025 Peugeot 201 revives the classic proportions and styling cues of the original model, but with a contemporary twist. The body retains a vintage silhouette, especially evident in the gently curved fenders, upright grille, and prominent hood line, but it's now made with lightweight aluminum and carbon composite panels for better efficiency and safety. The LED headlamps are designed to resemble the round glass units of the past, but offer modern visibility. Small yet stylish wheels with exposed bolts and chrome touches give the car a neo-retro appearance that appeals to both collectors and modern drivers looking for something unique. Under the hood, the new Peugeot 201 is expected to offer a small but efficient powertrain. While the original 201 had a four-cylinder petrol engine with modest horsepower, the 2025 version could come with an all-electric or hybrid setup. The electric variant would provide quiet, smooth performance with a range suitable for city and short-distance travel, likely around 200 to 300 kilometers on a single charge. Power output might hover in the 100 to 150 horsepower range, keeping the car light and nimble while providing enough strength for modern traffic conditions. A single-speed transmission or automatic gearbox would ensure ease of use for all types of drivers. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Peugeot 201 balances classic aesthetics with functional technology. Expect hand-stitched leather seats, wood grain or brushed metal finishes on the dash, and an analog-inspired instrument cluster paired with a digital infotainment screen that blends in seamlessly. The steering wheel is likely compact and stylized to reflect its heritage, while still including modern controls for audio and driving modes. The cabin is compact but ergonomic, with smart storage, ambient lighting, and a quiet ride thanks to good insulation and the benefits of electric propulsion. Safety is also part of the package. The new 201 should come with essential driver assistance. Features like ABS, traction control, a reversing camera, and basic collision warning systems. While it maintains a classic look, it meets modern standards for comfort and protection. This car is ideal for city dwellers who want a stylish, historically significant vehicle that turns heads and delivers an enjoyable, eco-friendly driving experience. The 2025 Peugeot 201 is more than a car. It is a tribute to the early years of automotive innovation, redesigned for the world of today. If you love stories where history comes back to life on four wheels, then make sure to subscribe to KH Driver for more unique automotive content, reviews, and detailed walkarounds.